Hello, welcome back to Light Recipes. Today we are going to make Pesarathu Dosa. So for this I have taken green gram 250 grams, wash it nicely and soak it in fresh water for minimum 5 to 6 hours or overnight. See, now it has soaked nicely. 2 green chillies I have taken, small piece of ginger, jeera and salt. Now take a mixer jar, add green chilli, ginger, jeera and soaked green gram along with the water. Add required amount of salt. Grind it as a fine paste and transfer this to a vessel. Add little water and bring it to a dosa consistency. If you add a lot of green gram, then you can use grinder. On the stove, heat the tawa, add 1 or 1.5 spoon of ladleful of batter, flatten it, add oil, close it with lid. Then you can flip to other side. Once the dosa is cooked, you can transfer it to a plate. This is a high protein breakfast or dinner recipe. It goes very well with coconut chutney, tomato chutney and even with other type of chutney also. Please try the recipe, subscribe, comment and like the video.